In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Zoho Workflow Rules. Workflow rules are automations that trigger one of the following actions. In Zoho CRM, click on Settings. Under Automations, click on Workflow Rules. Workflow rules are configured under the relevant module. You can filter the module name to see the workflow rules for that record type. ZERP is pre-configured with hundreds of workflow rules that have been carefully designed to streamline and automate as much as possible. A version control number has been allocated to most workflow rules, so we can track which workflow rules are installed and if the version changes. If the workflow rule starts with the letter S, this means standard. That means the workflow rule does not change. Click on a workflow rule to see the details. When a workflow rule is configured, the when condition confirms what triggers it. If you click on the edit icon, you can see the options available. This one is set to trigger when it's created, but also if it's edited. Then you can set up to 10 conditions that drive the results of what actions are carried out. The conditions can check details about the record to see if it qualifies for an update. This workflow rule has 4 different conditions that result in 4 different sets of actions. Under the actions, there are 10 options. Update fields, assign owners, update tags, send email notifications, create tasks, add meetings, create records, trigger webhooks, run functions. If the when the qualifies and the conditions qualify, the actions will automatically be performed. Let's take a look at this workflow rule. This workflow automatically generates the inquiry reference number when the inquiry is created and the reference number is empty. This workflow is triggering a function, as functions provide advanced code that allows a Zoho developer to handle almost any unique requirements. When a workflow rule requires an action that is different to the options provided, a function will likely handle the business requirement. If you click on the function and go into Edit, you can see a few lines of code, provided the requirement to create a unique reference number. In ZERP, hundreds of functions have been added and linked to the workflow rules. These functions are designed to support the fast-paced demands of today's retail or wholesale industry requirements. Each time a workflow is triggered, an audit trail is created in the module record. Go to an inquiry record. Click on the internal tab and go to Timeline. Under Timeline, you can see every automation that has run. Click on the link from here to open the workflow rules to see the rules used and action items that were automatically performed. We strongly recommend you do not modify, add, or remove workflow rules without advanced training or knowledge of your system configuration.